Hi guys, how are you all today evening? Good evening. Today in the morning we talked about the Kundalini and the seven chakras in the spinal cord of a living entity plus the seven chakras of the spinal cord versus the seven divine births, and we also talked about the divine births in the first chakra, that is Mooladhara. The next chakra is called Swadhisthana. Before we proceed further on this chakra, let me tell you about what one great emperor, Napoleon Bonaparte, said about life. He said, there is just a step from the sublime to the ridiculous. That is, when a person is at the sublime position, a slip of his step can lead him or her to ridiculousness. Now, we are talking about Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana means Swa, self, Adhisthana, established, that is, self established. But there is another meaning to Swadhisthana. In Sanskrit, Swadhisth means tasty. Tasty to what? It is taste or palatability to the senses of a living entity. What are the senses? They are supposed to be five in number: sight, hearing, smell, tongue, and touch. That is, touch, taste, hearing, smell, and sight. Now, as Napoleon Bonaparte said, there is a saying in spirituality also, that is, in many cases, some things taste like nectar in the beginning, but they quickly turn into poison, that is, from sublimity to ridiculousness. At the same time, there are some which are common or almost tasteless in the beginning, but after some time they become palatable and as tasty as nectar as the day progresses. We devotees of Lord should follow the second example where something starts normally but proceeds towards improvement and taste towards nectar like taste in the end. Platonic love can turn into lust in a minute, just like pure milk can turn into curd just by one small reaction in the milk. Similarly, our pure milk should not be poisoned by a drop of poison. Like the sage Vishwamitra who was very renowned and revered, fell prey to the sexual attractions of Menaka, the celestial nymph sent by Lord Indra just to disturb Swami Vishwamitra. If a devotee is happy with himself or herself, this person cannot fall prey to such inhibitions and attractions. There are three types of egos in a living entity. False ego identifies with the body, actual ego identifies with the soul, and superego identifies with being a part and parcel of the super soul. Here, if a devotee is satisfied within, if he or she prefers to meditate and live inside the universe within, then all these three types of egos are satisfied within itself, and such a devotee need not look outside for attraction or enjoyment. Here, the thing is that even if false ego trips, actual ego will see to it that it does not trip, and even if actual ego trips, superego will see to it that it does not fall down. Now we will talk about the divine births of Swadhisthana. The best way to have divine births in Swadhisthana means that we take delicacies of the smell and the touch and hearing, sight, etc. We need not try to find entertainment in lust. As a divine birth in Swadhisthana chakra, the living entity may have several births which are divine and which make the devotee proceed ultimately towards self-realization. Unlike the Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra encourages the brain and the senses to operate on its behalf. That's a very good sign. In that case, the person who wants to be in a divine birth in the Swadhisthana chakra can be a perfume owner, a cloth manufacturer, a musician, a singer, a sweet shop owner, a hotelier, a restaurateur, a baker, or a 5-star, 3-star, 2-star, 7-star hotel owner also. In other words, a person who has chosen, or the Swadhisthana chakra has chosen some person to have his or her divine birth in that chakra can have several divine births in that chakra in various positions like hotel owners, bakery owners, sweet shop owners, musicians, perfume owners, cloth manufacturers, big hotel owners, magnates, tycoon, etc. in the hotel business, etc. and thus reach sublimity, self-realization, liberation, deliverance, and ultimately Brahman. We should try to have these type of divine births in Swadhisthana chakra so that we are nearer God and we never forget to meditate into the universe within and live happily, successfully, platonically, and serve God as devotees of the Lord. Kindly let me know how much you like my talk about divinity in Swadhisthana Chakra. If you like my talk, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I can keep reminding you about my other videos. Please pardon me for any error in my appearance, diction, spelling, grammar, etc. Because trust me, it is inadvertent and it has risen only out of the fact that when I am talking to you on spiritualism and materialism, I cannot concentrate on these frivolous matters. Till we meet next time, it is good night from TSV Raghavan.